peab Grand Theft Auto 5 mängima ja nii. Ilusti on olemas. Peaks kohe nägema mängu. Kuidas sa ma panin kogemata. Video enne tööle, kui mäng algab. Nii. Aga siis alustame Grand Theft Auto 5-ga. Siis ma pidasin siin küll nädal aega vahet ja kõik, aga ma ei ole ühtki missioon teinud. Sest ma muidu mõtlesin, et äkki teeks täna video, aga ei olnud kodus, ma olin kogu aeg ära. Ja kui tulin, siis järgmisel päeval teen video. Aga noh, lähme siis teeme midagi lahedat. Vaata, nüüd tuleb mingi aeg see Grand Theft Auto 6. Nii väga ootan, mis välja tuleb. Esimesel võimalusel loodan, et saan endale ostetud. See selleks. Hakkame vaatama, mis missioon me täna kindlasti, kui Michaelil pole tulnud, teeme Trevoril ja Michaelil teeme sellel Franklinile ära, et õigus, jaa, me lõpetasime viimase video siin. Lähme seda tegema. Alustame paugu, et siis lähme teeme need kloodi lõpuse tahame kloone. Võidusõita ja selliseid muid tegevusi ka. Vabalt. Neid asju. Teeme igale see Grand Theft Auto 5. Aga kui lihtsalt järdub katkestuse, siis
Let's go to a place with no spell check, no social media, and no selfies. A place that's magic. Rock music has the power to change a lot of things. We won the Cold War with a guitar solo, I'm pretty sure. But the 80s were kind of fuzzy. So were the 90s for that matter. But let's all medicate now.
Shit, what the fuck are you doing? I got wound up, my bad. Yeah, that's how that went, asshole.
Näeme nüüd. Kuidas siit on? Vaatame siin.
It's time to re-legalize it. Can I get a signature, sir? For what? The most important fight of all. Poverty. No, another most important fight.
See on nii kreisov.
Animal welfare.
Ma teen selle kõike levalt ära.
Sign.
Ma teen selle ära.
Shit, where's my pen? Where's my pen?
Legalization of what?
Of things the founding fathers took as a right to consume medicinal plants.
Legalize smoke? You fucking kidding me? I make a shitload of money selling that, all right? The last thing I can handle is legalization. Now, fuck off!
Take a drag.
No, I don't want to smoke it anymore. It interferes with the speed.
It's really good weed.
All right, give it here.
Passaa. Älkää kotus sitä tehkää.
Yeah. It's a real mellow
Älkää se
contemplative
kotus
high
jäädä epouja.
that comes from the earth.
Tätä niinku reaset.
These clowns over there.
Sä näet oma luupainajaid, need, keda sa kõigi elus rohkem viskad. Sa roikus siis täiesti ära, mismoodi need kloonid siin on. Fucking.
Look at you! You're a joke!
Klooni auto.
How many fucking clowns can you fit in the van? This is a joke with no punchline. This is the best, worst trip ever. What the fuck is happening?
Shit.
I had problems, but this is seriously fucked up.
Bitch, nice.
I need to stick to math. How many of you sex offenders are there?
Ja nu. Booyakasha! Woo!
I hate clowns!
Mul on siis finaali teile öelda, et finaalis
It's the one that tipped me over the edge.
kuradi kui siin taga.
Die, creepy hallucination!
mängutöömees. jah, ei.
Shit. Seal!
mis teha, väsinud võib olla, kui ei olnud energisi peal.
It's so funny, don't you?
ma vajusin ära. Just ärkasin, ma ei vaadanud isegi kella, ma panin selle akti kinni ja ma mõtlesin,
Why am I not selling this stuff?
Issand, kui palju kloune siin fucking on karvaka!
Kids now.
Kuradi auto lendab ka vastu taevas. Bitchens!
mina pole üldse mõõdurat teinud.
Look at you! You're a joke! Come on! What is this? 2 for 1 now? What is this Neverwhere?
ma ei vahi siin, lollakas, sa mängi edasi oma
Kurat,
kuradi
kurat,
keeta.
kurat! Fuck! Aga proovime uuesti. Oota, nüüd läks teele. Noh,
How many fucking clowns can you fit in the van? This is a joke with no punchline.
2 ja jätame materjalid on vaja saada päris palju ja
ma siin vahepeal mõtlesin, et see tuleb siin
Come on! What is this? 2 for 1 now?
Trevor tahab lõpufinaalis Clownes aga
Who's laughing now? You spoke too soon.
ja läbi teise katsega tegime pool ära ma ei usu, et ta vaid meid alguses
Interesting talking to you.
Fuck was that,
päris
huh? It was horrible.
sa raisk
Think about what I said.
Revo jooks mine
mul ei näita Epic, et sa mängid seda. Mul näitab saad offline.
75%
95.7% of people voted in favor. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
Mis asja? Ma mängin seda. Aga ma crackisin seda mängu. Ikka ei näita, et sa online oled siis.
ma võin ka eksida, et need pidid nendeks aga midagi. What? Selliseid autosid saab New York siit linnast saada väga harva nii, et sul pole ühtegi korda signaalist peaaegu peale 20 autosordil signalisatsioon. Näiteks autos enda oma multikatega. See pole kõik ägedad mängud, siis ootame ette.
Ootan, ma ei mängi.
Hyvä. Väga hästi. Aga probleemis auto. Pagana.
Nüüd võiks Epic kinni võtta.
Jäppe. Ja küll.
Ja nüüd näitab, et seda.
That was close.
Anna mu rassikat. Vaata väga kliivrima, ossa raisk.
On võidu sõidab.
Kiirus. Miks?
Ja siis tulevad jälle.
Mana.
Tuled snäpid, kui see trokib.
Siis tänavatel mu pole enne käinud. Pole korral korras.
Võid Aidu keskust. Palju sa seda teed?
Ma pole pärast seda viimast videot, mis mu crafted auto 5 tegi aastas.
Coming to you live from the one place in Los
Keegi arvab, et ma paari.
This is your time, Bootsy baby, and I'm deep, deeper than deep, coming out my silly sheet right into space, baby. Wonderful.
veritable
see ei ole revolver.
And an entire
Ta on mingid heisti.
I think you mean zucchini, Mrs. Thornhill. Oh, so wasteful.
They're not like you and me.
Just ignore us.
Yes, don't mind us. Pretend we're not here.
Okay.
You're not Jock,
Aadu on kõnes käinud.
actor and artist. I love your work. Oh, stunt double. Oh, our favorite show.
Panen selle, ma ei saa aru.
They're fruitcakes.
City and residents
What?
are happy. Are bicyclists taking over? Witnesses describe a scene of chaos in Los Santos Harbor earlier.
Sõime lampi kohale enda
Explosions
kohta.
could be seen on board a container ship, which
Apa.
subsequently sunk into the
Aidu oli
harbor.
mitu puud
Reports
kõnes.
suggest nothing was stolen and foul play is not suspected in the incident.
Wayne County was one of 3 regions nationwide singled out as a potential target for money laundering as drug dealers focus on small regional banks with weak systems. Roy Buckley of Bureau Bay accused the Bureau of political discrimination against successful rural businesses. Celebrity news.
The Los Santos Superior Court has awarded damages to actor Gordon Henderson, who recently sued when Vinewood Storetours bus company dropped him from their roofs. The court said that aging and irrelevant Vinewood stars need to minimum the interest from fans in order to survive, and that actors have been known to commit suicide
Nigel.
attention at all times.
Tüüpi nimi on Nigel. Nigel Bramp.
Ootab materjali, siis masin jõuab kahte ära toota.
I nearly get into a collision going around them, and they dress like sissies.
90% of the people
Vaata, mis see Objective ja Milestone on.
Give me a break.
Rootorid ja kuubikuid.
indicated they won't be adopting any of the bike share programs that have plagued other metropolitan
Ja tagant auto ei tule.
confirming your prejudices.
Siin Crafted auto 5 ja 6.
Ostraks on sul vaja
Olla nii, et ma saan suunda ka näidata.
kuveisi ja
Ja ta saaks näiteks mängi rooliga. Siis ma paneks kogu aeg mingit kuulda.
ja ma teen natukene tsementi ka siin. Sest see teine auto on see Complete Phase 2 on järgmised saab. Selleks on vaja kooli. Aga üks kooli kohta on meil siin $234 meetrit on ju. Aga see on fucking mäe otsas. Ma ei pääse, järgmine on alles 620 meetrit. Ja siis on 1600 meetrit.
Vaata, see peab olema
Ma
selle
arvasin,
vahepeal.
et siin alguses meil on 2 seda Kairini kohta, et sealt peab hakkama ka tooma neid siia üles.
You're gonna meet a bitch, that's where you're gonna meet one, you know what I'm saying?
Küsimärgid on alguses ja siis kui on... Sorry, ma eksisin, ma pole neid missioone siin tükk aega teinud. Nii et... Oh! I'm so sorry. The motherfuckers!
You insult me in my hometown? You couldn't keep your mouth shut, could ya? Nobody talks about my mother!
I'm gonna shoot you, you asshole! What the hell? Shit, it's fucking done!
Any more of you inbred hicks?
Gotta reload now.
Am I creepy now? Am I?
ja kõik, mis lasketiir mul siin on, siis see on see gängi tulistamine.
Sandy Shores.
Ei saa olla! Ikka jälle otsast peale. Mul on minut ja põhimõtteliselt 2 minutit on mul aega, et ma enam lähta lüüa.
You couldn't keep your mouth shut, could ya? Old man? Why, how's this for an old man? Am I creepy now? Am I? We got a bleeder!
You're going dead.
I try to be a good neighbor, and this is what I get! What is this, a family reunion?
See on juba teine kord, kui ma saan napi aja lõpu pealt Killensi.
Get out the trash, Sandy Shores! You insult me in my hometown?
Papa tuli jõuluhommikuks koju. Tere, pojad!
Well, how's this for an old man?
Kurat, see oli endas ka üle, kui ta niimoodi sõidaks.
I try to be a good neighbor, and this is what I get.
enam ühes missioonis.
You want redneck? Oh, I'll give you redneck. You couldn't keep your mouth shut, could ya? You insult me in my hometown?
Ja kui kõigepealt sain detailidelt, ma vahepeal uurisin asja, et mis mõttega sellised raevumissioonid Trevoril. Selles, et Trevor sõdib oma vaenlast. No nii. See missioon sai läbi. Ja ärgem pean teile pettumust tunnistama, aga me ei saa edasi liikuda, sest see ikka on see sümbol samas kohas. Kas vanakse luba? Ainult.
See taga on või?
You're gonna meet a bitch, that's where you're gonna meet one, you know what I'm saying?
Hey. Give me a sip of that.
What?
Come on! My throat's dry as a motherfucker.
Why? Is your mother dry when you're...
What the fuck is that, huh?
Nothing.
Well, it didn't sound like nothing, all right? It didn't seem like nothing. I don't think that it was nothing.
I didn't mean nothing by it, old man.
Old man? Old man!
Fuck you, creepy old motherfucker. That's right. I said it. Creepy. Old. Motherfucker!
No! Jesus.
Huh?
No, come on.
What?
Sorry.
Now, where
sorry.
were we
Come on,
exactly,
get up, dude.
huh?
Get up.
Sorry, man, we're sorry.
Help! There's a guy with a gun!
täiesti.
What is this, a family reunion? I'm taking out the trash, Sandy Shores! Oh, the hell out!
Ma näidingi, et 2 üks aeronoori miner ei suuda ikka masinaid ära võtta.
You insult me in my hometown?
Ajan koota masinat ja siis masin käis. Vaata, kus on 200 tükki, võtad lihtsalt ära, siis tuleb juurde neid. Mina mängin ja mul on pohhu su videotest praegu olnud. Ma ei saa vaikselt võtta, ma räägin teiste inimestega ju.
Ma üritan keskenduda, aga sinu mõtlesin.
Ma mängin ju. See, et sina ei suuda keskenduda sinu.
Any more of you inbred hick? What is this, a family reunion? Old man? What hell's this for an old man? Insult me in my hometown? Hit the floor! Nobody talks about my mother! You're a dead man! Damn it, I'm out! We got a man now! me now? Am I?
Fuck!
See suur mägi, mis meil siin otse ees on kõik ümber selle tuleb sealt alt üles.
Ma panen siit pausile, et siis kui läbi on, sest see võtab vist aega. Tagasi, nii, ma sain selle, mis on lõpuks hakkab nagu näed nagu vaadake seda. Igal pool on surnud inimesed. Aga on ka siin kandis teatud inimesi, kellega saad ilma missiooni hakata surma teha. Jah, aga selline on nagu see. Nii. Väga hea, ma tegin krossikast ilma, mis oli mul ainus sõiduvahend. Õnneks saab sealt auto ja mul läks praegu tootama mu raha. Ei tea. Mina autot laendan. Ja ping!
Your mom will shoot you fucking hands.
Igaks juhuks.
Tule siia serva peale, siis näed mida.
I've been waiting all day to use this.
Olmed auto ees. Sinna. Sain selle. Paga! Jäigi! Siit jaama jos autot olasada. Ja kurat, jäägu... Mul... Ma pidin maksma $200 vähemalt. Ma annan.
Ups, üles. Ja nagu missiooni jaoks selle auto jätame endale. Teeme korda. Ja siis näete, kuidas sellisest rauahunikus, mis liigub. Teha selles on normaalne auto. Suruis! Kui võtt jälle.
This car's gonna be parked outside your house.
Esikoht veidi löömidega. Juhtud parimad.
Get a race on, pal. Whoa! That won't be
Vaadake, jos päitä haluaa ihan puhaa. Se on täiust. Tai se on nimeltä elata vaan. Että sitten ei tarvitse. Ja väga elu ei tarvitse. Seda ma olen tahtnud teha. Kui veab. Võtke see sopp. Võtke 1000 minti peale ja te saate neist ja kui mina proovin seda autot võimatu õhku lasta. Aga sellist autot ei saa. Oh fuck! Ma unustasin öelda.
Jah, aga selleks oleks vaja annetatud laiti. Võisid ja neid vast laiti. Jah, see on see tugevdatud lait.
Vaatame, kas see auto on alles. On väga harva kordi, kui selle auto sealt varastada saad.
Move! Shit, shit, shit! You only have yourself to blame.
Yeah, whatever.
Ai, kurat.
What miracle did you want me to perform? This shit, it might stop a missile. Oh, the power. The power.
Hey, Carol, it's Mooney. You got your ears on?
Hairpin turns are gonna be F-U-N.
DMA dude here. The hell all this ratchet jaw going on?
These tires are hardcore.
Yes, Missy. Copy.
Get over here and do what needs to be done.
I don't reckon I can.
Why's that?
Oh, you know I can't put her down. I love that little girl. She was my first.
She's a pig. Pigs make bacon. People need to eat. Now stop being a sissy. Come over here and kill this hog. I don't care if your prick's been inside it.
Okay, Missy. Thanks for telling the whole world.
Ja, niimoodi. Aga... Ei.
That was entirely your fault! Ah!
Very nice now.
Hey, bud. What you do?
Nothing. What you up to, Cletus?
Hunting.
Hunting what? Retirees?
Nah, just stuff. Windows, antenna, tires.
Thurman? Ah, so that was you. 'Tis the season for it.
I don't give a shit about no season.
Oh, good, huh? Don't let the regulations get you down.
That's what I'm saying. Hey. You want to come hunting with me? It'd be real neighborly of you.
Hell, why not?
All right, then. Up here with you.
I got just a thing.
Nowhere near!
Okay, you see them 3 big satellite dishes? A decent shot, and they'll go down easier than a whore's drawers.
You're a real pillar of the community.
Half the folks in this town would sell their own mother, and most of the other half are already dead. Screw them. Yeah, that's it. Give them hell. Shoot another one. Don't shoot that one. I know that feller. He's okay. Not that dish. That's my sister's place. No, not that place. Only people I don't like. No more reality TV for you, Mrs. Gilbert. Okay, one more for the road. Boom! Didn't I tell you this would be more fun than a barrel full of pussies?
Ooh, you're a classy date, Cletus. No denying that.
Now drive us up to that abandoned motel. I got an even better idea.
So, what now?
We gonna try our luck on something less stationary.
Ooh, liberals?
Nothing as slippery as that. You'll see. Well, we'll take your vehicle then.
You've got way too much time on your hands.
Nah, this is just a bit of foolery. I've been busier than hell with the real hunting. The money in wild organic meat these days, you wouldn't believe. Them hipsters will give you their parents' last dime for it. It's gotten so I can't even keep up with the oh, look out! Keep up with the demand no more. All this eat local, small batch, farm-to-table bullshit. You know, I can maybe use another pair of hands if I can get you up to snuff with that rifle.
You keep on criticizing my shooting, you'll be starring in a snuff with that rifle.
Here we are. I bet you never shut out the tires on a car before?
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Well, let's see what you got then.
Ain't you gonna shoot anything, Cletus?
Nah, I do this all the time, and I want to see how you deal with a moving target. This is perfect right here. Pick a car and shoot a tire. Good plain old-fashioned fun. What? Metal don't count. Seen that before. Hellfire, Trevor, you ain't rushing this, are you? Ain't as easy as it looks, is it? Nice! Go on, one more, just for the hell of it.
Oh, fuck. Teeme missiooni ära ja siis on meil kõik.
Good plain old-fashioned fun.
Ja, no.
Can you spare any money, friend?
Don't be shy. Tires don't feel no pain. That's it. Beauty.
Vaeri peaks saama sealt konteinerist. See, mis sul taga on.
I never knew you were such an agitator, Cletus.
All these damn tourists coming out here to gawp at regular.
See mul töötab kogu aeg, ma tean seda lugu vaja.
Nice. Go on, one more, just for the hell of it. You're slower than molasses on a cold day.
jah. Ma arvan, ma ütlesin, et siin peaks natukene hakkama rohkem organi nagu ma ei seda paremini vähe niimoodi, et mul ei hakka liinid üle teiste joostma. Peaks nagu järjest hakkama panema. Ma vaatan praegu on see pillapallas. Aga ma ei taha samas muuta ka, siis praegu kõik toimub nagu.
Come on, gotta show them sometimes you ain't a slave to the system. Looks like maybe you could use some more practice. Right, let's change it up. Come on, follow me.
Ma praegu vaatan, kui ma saaksin neid kuvesid sinna masina juurde rohkem juurde sööda, kus saab rättada.
Just two fellers killing time in small town America. Don't get much better than this, does it?
The two most popular guys in town.
Am I glad I ran into you? Ain't nowhere near this fun being antisocial on your own.
Whatever cranks your tractor, I say. What's up next on the hillbilly anarchist agenda?
Ever shot anything with a face? Actually, let me ask it again. Ever shot anything with a face on 4 legs?
Now, Cletus, it's important you realize I'm a man plagued by vicious rumors.
Fine. Let's head for the roof. I seen some coyotes hanging around down by the road. Reckon it would be real neighborly of us to get rid of a couple.
And we are nothing if not neighborly.
We'll get a better shot from up here. I have 3 speeds. On, off, and don't push your luck. I ain't in no mood for no punch-up right now. Maybe later. All right, I see him. Looks like we got 2 packs of coyotes down there. Take a few of them out, and the rest should scatter. Ha! Sing to me now, song dog. Hellfire! That should do it. Nicely done. I reckon you should tag along next time I go hunting out at Paleto Bay. I'll show you how to bag an elk.
Why not?
All right, gotta go. I'll send you a text when I'm about.
Ära teeme. Aga nüüd ma mõtlen. Aga nagu just nüüd aitab. Ja loodan, et teile meeldis. Kui te näete mu teisi videosid, siis pange subscribe, pange kommentaar, kindlasti like'i ja mu videosid. Ja andke mõne mängusoovitus, ma hindan seda ja annan oma hinnangud. Ja näeme siis võrgus. Nii. Ciao.